Introducing my customized project management template, designed specifically for professionals like you who need an easy yet powerful way to stay organized and ensure successful project delivery. The template features 3 main sheets: the data dump sheet, project sheets, and an interactive dashboard, allowing you to manage projects with precision and clarity. Let's start with the data dump sheet. This is where you'll enter new projects. Think of it as the hub where all relevant project details are consolidated. Once you input the data, everything else is automated. No more spending hours manually updating information across multiple sheets. The data dump sheet organizes everything and syncs seamlessly with the rest of the template. Next, we have the project sheets. Each project gets its own dedicated sheet, which makes tracking and managing individual projects incredibly efficient. You can monitor task progress, set deadlines, and update statuses, all within a single, streamlined view. The simplicity and clarity of each project sheet make it easier for you to manage day-to-day operations without getting bogged down by unnecessary complexity. Now, let's talk about the most powerful part of this template, the dashboard. The dashboard provides you with a real-time, interactive overview of all your projects in one place. It's more than just a visual tool, it's a dynamic space that gives you complete control and flexibility to view your projects based on your specific needs. With pivot tables, you can easily sort and filter your data. Want to view projects by funding, priority, or project phase? Simply click on the slicers, and your dashboard updates in real time. The ability to filter and analyze data instantly means you're always making informed decisions. The timeline view lets you see project milestones in a clear and intuitive layout. You can easily track the start and end dates of tasks, ensuring your projects stay on schedule. And with the added scroll bar, you can quickly navigate through time to review past or future milestones. The Gantt chart gives you a visual representation of your project timelines, showing task dependencies, progress, and completion rates. This is essential for tracking project health, and ensures you can anticipate potential delays or bottlenecks before they become an issue. As a project manager, staying organized is crucial, but so is the ability to present information effectively. This template allows you to customize and present project updates with ease, whether you're reporting to your team, stakeholders, or executives. It saves you time, reduces errors, and provides a level of clarity and efficiency that traditional methods just can't match. This project management template is more than just a tool, it's an investment in your ability to manage projects more effectively. The real-time data updates, intuitive interface, and powerful visual insights are all designed to help you make better decisions.